Invisibility has long been one of the marvels of science fiction and fantasy. From the scenes of The Invisible Man to the magical invisible clock from Harry Potter movies.
Whoa!
Yet, for at least a century, physicists have denied the possibility of invisibility cloaks, stating flatly that it is impossible to achieve because they violate the laws of physics or the laws of optics to be particular and do not conform to any known properties of matter. But today, the impossible has become possible. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome back to my another video of my science playlist, and today I'll be talking about another fiction of a fantasy world, invisibility.
My body's gone!
Invisibility can be achieved in today's world all thanks to the new advancements in an exotic new material known as the metamaterials. Ironically, the creation of metamaterials was once thought to be impossible because obviously they violated the laws of physics. But in 2006, magic happened. All thanks to Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, also known as DARPA, which I'll be calling as DARPA, who funded in a research done by the Duke University in Durham, North Carolina, and the Imperial College in London, who successfully defined their wisdom and used metamaterials to make an object invisible to microwave radiations. Now, what are metamaterials? These are the substances which have optical properties not found in nature. Well, it is of different types, but the one important one which helps in invisibility is the electromagnetic metamaterial. Now, before I explain you the working, let me tell you how we see things around us. That is because when a light ray hits on an object, it bounces back to our eyes, resulting the visibility of that particular object. Metamaterial does is it kind of not lets the light ray to bounce back, but instead it lets the light ray to pass through it. For example, if I consider a river in which the water flows, and let's consider the water to be the light ray, and let this stone be the object covered in the metamaterial. As you could see, the object covered in metamaterial won't allow the water, that is, the rays of light, to bounce back. Instead, it allows it to flow just like the water flowing through the solid rock. So here I come to my last question. Is invisibility cloak from Harry Potter possible? Yeah, it is possible, but is the biggest challenge for the engineers because in today's world, humanity has achieved to make an object invisible to microwave radiations. But if the engineers are able to design it so that it does not allow any sort of radiations or waves to bounce back, but instead just let them pass away through it, then voila, you've achieved, you've got the invisibility clock. Well, that is it for the day. Thank you so much for remaining patient till the end. Well, if you think whatever blabbered here was of any use to you or was it informative to you, please consider giving a like and share as much as you can. And do consider subscribing to my channel as well. Um, yeah, once again, thank you so much. And until the next video, bye.